Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is the 1st of February in the year 2021 and I'm standing in Junction Playground in Corona, Queens, New York. And I'm in the midst of the nor'easter. So far we have gotten a lot of snow. We were expected to get 14 to 22 inches. And so far I can see that this snowstorm has been delivering on what it promised to give to us. It's quite windy with, as you can see, a lot of snow. I'm now crossing Junction Boulevard. It's really hard walking here. As you can see, the people who have already gone ahead of me made some tracks here, so this kind of helps, but in some ways because it's really slippery. To my left there, that is Food Bazaar supermarket and it is open, so if you have an emergency and you need food or other stuff, then yes, it's open. I'm not sure how strong the wind gusts are right now, but at first I heard that it was supposed to be up to 45 miles per hour. But as I say, right now I'm not sure of the mileage that the wind is blowing. Walking on 34th Avenue heading east, sorry, heading west. I'm walking from my east going towards west. And I'm now at 94th Street and I'm going to walk to my north and head on to Northern Boulevard. At the moment the snow is not coming down really hard as before, but it is still snowing and I'm expecting that it will continue snowing throughout the evening or maybe even into tomorrow. Somebody did some real good shoveling here. If you can notice on this car here, what the person did was lift the wipers, so when they're to clean off the windshield they don't go ahead and damage their wipers, which a lot of people are actually doing that, and that's very smart. And even though we're in the midst of a blizzard, but to my left there, that is Northern Playground, and as you can see there are people inside there having fun in the snow. and it's now 4:30 p.m. and the temperature is 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's not all that cold, but it's chilly. You just got to dress warm. And I'm now at Northern Boulevard. So at the moment I'm standing at the corner of Junction Boulevard and Northern Boulevard. I want to cross Northern Boulevard, so I'm waiting on the light to change. And it's now my turn, so I'm crossing the street here. As you can see on the street, because the cars keep going, not just cars but vehicles on a whole, so on the street there most of the snow is like already slushed out or pushed to the sides. There goes the Q72, still running, faithful Q72. I know earlier they were saying that some of the transportation, the MTA transportation system will be suspended, but I'm not sure if it was only the trains or only the bus. I'm not sure, but I guess whoever need to take the transportation from the MTA, whether train or buses, they'll keep up and look out for notifications to know what's happening. All you can see there is the tip of the fire hydrant. And I'm walking alongside the Louis Armstrong Intermediate School. Whatever ice is coming down, it's really wet and feeling a bit stingy on my face. And it is getting windy. Even though it was a bit windy when I just started up, but the wind is picking up. Here on the school you can see some icicles. And I'm now at the end of Junction Boulevard, and I'm on 32nd Avenue as well, and I'm also in East Elmhurst. A lot of snow here. And over here you have a few persons building a snowman and doing other stuff. And this here is the Veterans Plaza. Okay, here we have fresh snow that no one didn't walk into as yet. I'm going to step over in there and see how deep it is. Okay, so they seem like it could be a foot down, and I know some places like here it seems deeper than that. So this one here is definitely more than a foot. So it's quite a bit of snow out here. And yes, there it is. I did go ahead and mess up all this beautiful snow. Let me step back over this rail here. And I'm at the corner of Jackson Mill Road and 94th Street, and I'll be crossing here. And if it wasn't snowing, I think it would have starting to look as if night is falling. It would be darker, but I think with all this white and the snow in the air and everything, so it is taking a bit longer to get darker. And I'm now at the corner of 95th Street, and I'm going to walk back to the south. I think I made a good choice there heading this way, because now the snow is not beating me in my face so much as before. And I'm now back on 32nd Avenue, but this time I'm at 95th Street. And to my right over there, that's Junction Boulevard that I was on previously. And with all this snow, I know a lot of the drivers are happy because alternate street side parking has been suspended, so they don't have to move their car to the other side of the road. And to my right here is Toronto Dominion Bank. And I'm getting so tired from plowing through all this snow here. And there goes the Q66. And I'm back on Northern Boulevard. And I think I'll be ending my ride here. And you have seen some of what is happening here in Queens, New York. I hope you have enjoyed the walk with me. Please remember to subscribe and see you soon.